Hey friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. And in today's video, I would like to share with you guys some ideas and some DIY ideas for this Halloween, so you can decorate either your room, a candy table, buffet table, a dessert table, a food table, or any other section or space in specific that you would like to decorate for Halloween. So I really hope that you like these ideas. They're super easy and super fast, and I really hope you like them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following videos or any of the following ideas. And now let's go on to the video. Alright friends, so for our first DIY, we'll need 3 plain cardboard pumpkins, as well as a large paper to cover our working surface, and a container in which we will be mixing some acrylic paint and glue. With a brush, we will be mixing it, and with this same brush, we'll be applying the paint to our pumpkin. In this occasion, I decided to go with pink, so when mixing the paint with the white glue, the paint actually reduces its color, so it's a lighter pink now. With this paint, I covered my entire pumpkin, and once my pumpkin was completely painted in pink, I went ahead and made another mixture of acrylic paint and glue. In this occasion, I went with gold to paint the leaves as well as the stem. So you can continue painting your pumpkins in different colors. So for instance, in this occasion, I painted one in black and one in light purple or lilac. Once the acrylic paint on the leaves was completely dry, I took some glue and then I applied it directly on the leaf using a brush to make sure that every single spot was completely covered with glue. Before it dried off, I added some glitter. Since the leaves were painted in gold, the glitter is also gold. So whichever color you decide to paint your pumpkin, make sure you have that same color in glitter. And here is my little cat watching what I'm doing. Once again, I applied some glue and then the glitter, and since these two pumpkins don't have any leaves, I only applied the glue to the stem, and before it dried off, I added the glitter. In the same way, you can also apply glitter to your pumpkins so they're shiny and glimmery. For the second DIY, we'll be making some decorative pillows. So for this, I designed everything on my computer, and once I had everything designed or drawn, I sent them directly to this cutter. So once this machine cut out of my designs onto the clothing vinyl, I started to weed out the entire designs, so taking off all the sections or pieces that I did not need. For example, in this occasion, the eyes, the nose, and the mouth, and just leaving the circle to form Jack's face. In the same way, I made a spider web, some ghosts, Jack's face, pumpkins, trick or treat, some bats, as well as Happy Halloween. Clothing vinyl adheres with hot temperature, so you can use a heat press or you can also use a home iron. Clothing vinyl also comes with a protective plastic on top, which you remove it once it is already pressed onto the clothing or to the fabric. So on this plastic, you can draw some of your shapes, and using some scissors, you can cut them out. You can make pumpkins, ghosts, spider webs, spiders, bats, letters, anything or any shape you can come up with. And finally, this is how all of our decorative pillows ended up looking. We actually made this cute spider in this channel, so I will be leaving a link in the description as well as on a tag on the right hand corner of this video, so you can also go check out that video and see how we made it. This other idea is super easy and super fast. So for this, you'll need some plastic spiders. There's different sizes, so small, medium, and large. For this, I recommend that you use the small and the medium because they're not that heavy and the glue will actually work with them. Then you will also need some hot glue. So quickly apply some hot glue on the wall or on the surface that you'd like to decorate. And before it dries off, add your spider. So once again, apply some hot glue, and before it dries off or cools off, add or glue on your spider. So in this occasion, I decided to glue them onto my wall to decorate my wall within or inside my room. But you can also decorate a table, a door, or for example, if you would like to make a candy table or a buffet table, then you can actually glue these onto the table itself if you don't want them to move or get all over the place. Other Halloween decorations I added to my room are, for example, this black tree with only branches, and on the branches I entangled this light so I could turn it on when it's dark. On my headboard I added this garland. It is made out of bats, and the bats actually have a small wire so you can move them around and place them however you like. I actually also added another garland. This is completely made out of ghosts. So you can actually combine different garlands to decorate a space, and you can add lights, or for example right here I added these curtain lights. They're blue, purple, and pink, which I think go really well with the theme that I picked this year. And then I also added a skull. This one is completely black, no glitter, nothing. I also have another one that is completely silver. It is completely glittery. I will be showing it to you later on in this video. And then here I have another tree with a small bat, which also goes along with the theme I picked. So it's bats, ghosts, and pumpkins. And below this, I have another garland. This one is ghosts, and every single ball has a different face. Well, it's the same face, but every single ball has a face to make it appear like a ghost. So you can add as many garlands as you like to decorate a space or a room. So you can add ones with lights and ones without lights, and just make everything go together with a theme. In addition to spiders, bats, and ghosts, you can also use decorative bowls or plates to decorate your special place. So for example, for a candy table, for a buffet table, or a dessert table, you can use these bowls and add some chocolate, some strawberries, candy, etc. In this instance, I have some jewelry inside of that bowl, and you can also use different colored pumpkins. So for example, you can follow the same tutorial or DIY that was shown in the beginning of this video to have different colored pumpkins. Here is another bowl. This one is completely black with ghosts. Underneath I have this other bowl. This one is only spider web, and then on top I have this skull, which I was talking about earlier. It's completely silver with glitter, and underneath the skull I have some ornaments in purple and black, which also go along with the theme and the colors I picked. Underneath I have this small table to make or to give it a little bit more of a height to my bowl and to the actual decor. Underneath I have the 3 pumpkins we decorated and DIY'd in the beginning of this video, so you can follow this tutorial to have other pumpkins in different colors and different sizes. And on my desk, the only thing I have for decorations are those 2 small beige pumpkins. Everything else is just my computer, my agenda, and a candle. And this is how my Halloween room looks once everything is finished and completely decorated. Alright friends, and this was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the content and the ideas as well as the DIYs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following projects or any of the following ideas. Thank you so much for watching once again, and see you on the following video. Bye guys!